If you've ever seen a Hollywood film, you might think that a solar eclipse is a sign of some seriously bad business on the way. Whether it's vampires using that bonus bit of night for a big bloody party, or just the end of the world as we know it. Well, here at BBC Brit Lab, we wanted to illuminate the darkness around the solar eclipse and provide the top 5 things that you need to know. The moon and the sun may look the same size, but actually it's a cosmic coincidence. At 1,391,684 kilometers, the sun's diameter is approximately 400 times bigger than that of the moon's 3,476 kilometers. But it also happens to be approximately 400 times further away from the Earth, causing the effect that the moon can exactly cover the sun's surface. The solar eclipse of 1919 completely changed the face of science when it bumped Newton's theory of gravity in favour of Einstein's theory of relativity. When the stars seen close to the sun during the eclipse appeared to change position, this supported Einstein's theory that gravity affects light, space and time itself. As we all know, Einstein went on to become famous for sticking his tongue out and having awesome hair. During the solar eclipse, the moon's shadow, or umbra, will move eastwards across the Earth's surface at a staggering rate of 1,060 miles per hour. That's about the same speed as a G650, the world's fastest private jet. A total eclipse is actually quite common, with about 2 to 3 happening most calendar years. What is rare is for the path of totality to move across cities of dense population. Because of this, ancient texts that record total eclipses can be matched with modern records to give us an approximate date of past events. Because the Greek philosopher Thucydides recorded a total eclipse in the first few months of the Peloponnesian War, we can calculate that it started on the 3rd of August, 430 BC. You may have been told never to look directly at a solar eclipse, and there's a good reason. First, your cornea would get painfully sunburnt, lasting up to 36 hours. Then you'd flood your retina with response signals that would impair your vision for anything from 1 to 18 months. The fine detail area at the centre of your retina is particularly unprotected. If this is damaged, you could live the rest of your life with a big black dot at the centre of your vision. It's thought that this is why Bonnie Tyler instructed us all to turn around, bright eyes. So there you have it, 5 fantastic facts about the solar eclipse to remove any shadow of doubt from your mind. Share your experiences of the eclipse in the comments below, and why not even subscribe?
When presenting this as evidence, no one really seems that bothered that the rectangle doesn't even contain the full width of the Parthenon, or that the rectangle starts at a completely arbitrary point along the base, or that the diagonal lines signifying the roof aren't even really along the lines of the roof. Also, sorry, WTF is that spiral even supposed to be telling me about Greek architecture?